In today's video, I'll show you how to use the ActiveCampaign Landing Page Builder to create and publish a professional web page. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and open Website or Site from the left-hand menu. Then select Pages. Click Add a new page to start building your landing page. Next, choose a template that matches your goal, such as lead generation, and give your page a name. Once the editor opens, use the drag-and-drop builder to add elements like text, images, buttons, and forms. Click any element to customize its content and appearance. Before publishing, switch to the mobile preview and make sure your page looks good on smaller screens. You can also open the page settings to configure options such as the page title, SEO information, tracking codes, and domain settings. When everything looks correct, click Publish to make your landing page live. And that's how you use the ActiveCampaign Landing Page Builder. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.